Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're going to turn a business logo into a metal sign. Uh, the kids wanted to make a sign for their uncles over at Bent Off Road Recovery, so we are going to kill two birds with one stone. We're going to go here, we're going to open up Bent Off Road Recovery's website. Just going to grab their logo. Just going to right click, save image as. Just going to throw it in our downloads folder. Grab this one, save image as, do the same thing. We are going to open this up with Paint Shop Pro, and we are just going to turn this into a black and white image. So we're going to go up here to image, hit grayscale, then we are going to, and we're just going to go over here and we are going to use the background eraser. We're just going to get rid of all this gray, all the two-tone grays. Now, this tool works pretty good. I'm not really proficient in Photoshop. I'm sure Photoshop probably does a better job. But like I said, I am not a Photoshop guy. So maybe one of these days I will learn that program, but I do not currently know it. Just going to erase all of the whites and the grays. And there we go. So now we're going to go over here to Inkscape, grab our black and white. Now we're still on trace bitmap. That is insanely better. So we're going to go ahead and hit apply. Get rid of that. We got our SVG. Now we're just going to clean this up. I'm going to hit fast forward mode on this because this isn't really a drawing exercise. So we made a backing plate for this one, and we're just going to throw it over into SheetCam and make a tool path so we can send it over to our Langmuir XR and cut it out. Let's jump into that. Now we just threw this over on the Langmuir. We are cutting this out of 14 gauge cold rolled steel. The boys are pretty proud of it. They did a great job, actually. It was the first metal sign. There's Luke, first time with a grinder, cleaning it all up. Wanted to make it nice and shiny. Lincoln wanted to make one of his own, so there's him working on his. Lincoln over there painting away. And I'm painting the backing plate white, and then we're going to put some neon green on top of that. Wanted the white to really pop, the green to really pop. Mixing up some epoxy, putting it together. Turned out really nice. Really like the way that green pops. They did a great job. Not bad for their first attempt. And there it is. And their uncles love the heck out of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for coming.